What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can cancel transaction on Coinbase. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. Now here we have two scenarios. First things is you were actually like doing a P2P trade or transferring the cryptocurrency or swapping it. In this case, you just have to open up your Coinbase wallet. Opening up the Coinbase wallet will look something like that. Here, as you can see, this will be the assets. You just have to go to the transactions, and in the transactions, you will be able to see all the previously placed transactions. You just have to select the transaction. If it is pending, you'll be able to cancel it. If it is not pending and it is completed, you won't be able to cancel it. Now, after doing that, you are having the other scenario, which is like you want to cancel the transaction of the payments. In that case, you have to go to coinbase.com using a web browser, sign into your account, select the assets of your pending transaction, locate and select the pending transaction to display the cancel payment options. Once you have that cancel payment options, just tap on cancel payment options. That's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.